Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi. So I am sitting in a different spot than normally. So the reason that I'm sitting here in front of my new vanity, and I say new but actually my first vanity ever, is because I am going to be doing a makeup challenge, and that is doing my makeup in reverse. And I don't know who started this challenge, but I saw James Charles do it and I thought, why not? Could be fun, right? Or I completely ruin all my makeup products, but okay. So I put on a list of everything I do in the order that I do it, so I'm gonna read it backwards. So I normally start by concealing up the imperfections, and then I do my foundation, and then I start by bronzing, and then baking powder, and then highlighting, and then my eyeshadow and eyeliner, and then my eyebrows, and then my mascara, and then my lips. So we are gonna start by doing my lips. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using the liquid lipstick from Kylie, and the color is Coco K. So I'm gonna start by lining my lips. So that's the lip liner. And now I'm already doing it wrong because you start by doing the lipstick, but okay. Oh god, I'm literally already getting it everywhere, and this is just the first step. Oh my god. Lips are done. So then we're gonna go to mascara. Let's see, we're gonna be using from L'Oreal Paris, the Mega Volume Miss Baby Roll Mascara. And I tried this mascara out with two other mascaras from L'Oreal. If you're interested in watching that, I'll have it linked down below too. Sorry if you hear my dogs in the background, they're playing on the bed. Yes, they are. I am really curious how this is gonna turn out. Especially because I'm baking before the foundation. I don't get why one eye with my eyelashes is always working better than the other. Why is it? Does anyone have a reasonable explanation for that? Because I really don't know. Okay, mascara is done. And then for the next step is eyebrows. And let me just brush them out quickly. So now I'm just grabbing my powder, and I believe it's from Essence, but I'm not sure because the logo completely came off, but I still see a little A. So, and now I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows and just basically follow the shape that they already are. And then my elastic, because I broke this one also. I break a lot of stuff. It's bad. It's really bad. So, eyebrows are done. And then for the next step is eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I use the Catrice Cosmetics Glam and Dull Super Black Eyeliner Pen. And I'm not very good at doing my eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna ruin my mascara probably. This is the best I'm gonna make out of it. The next step is eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I am gonna be using my Revolution palette. And I'm taking my brush from H&M, I think that it is. And I'm gonna take the fluffy side. And I am gonna take the really light nude color. The one that's almost empty because I use it daily. And I'm just gonna put it just above my eyeliner. I'm trying. I'm just dabbing it on there. And then above my eye. Okay, and now that I fully covered that, I'm gonna take a really sharp brush And I'm gonna be taking this dark color and I'm gonna line my bottom eye. And then I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm taking the pink shimmery color, really light pink shimmery, and I'm starting in the corner of my eye. I'm working my way into the darker line. Eyeshadow is done. This is how it looks like. And the next step for me to do is highlighter. And for highlighter I use a brush like this or a brush like this, but for now I'm gonna go with this one. And for highlighter I use the Insta Glow from Miss 40 in the color 101 Golden Glow. In my nose, the bridge of my nose, and the tip a little. And then I'm also gonna do my eyebrows underneath them. And then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. And then the next step is a baking powder. And for baking powder I use the Catch and Shine Banana Loose Powder. My dog is trying to jump up on my little chair that I got, but my butt only fits on there. That doesn't fit another dog on here. Now I'm calling myself a dog. Nice. And now everything's baking and I feel like a cake and I want some cake, but it's almost my birthday, so I will probably eat cake on my birthday. And then the next step is bronzing, and for bronzing I use Prestige Cosmetics. I don't really know, I got this from my aunt like a half year ago or something. And then I'm gonna go onto the lines of my face a little bit. And then I'm grabbing a really small round brush to do my nose. And I'm just gonna slightly dab it on there. And then I'm taking this big brush and I'm gonna blend my nose in. So the next step is a foundation. So I'm gonna wipe all the baking powder off and we're gonna see how foundation over contouring looks like. And baking powder and all and everything. Okay, all the baking powder is off, so I'm gonna go into my foundation, and for foundation I use the Rimmel London Lasting Finish, putting it on my hand. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm dipping it on there. I am just doing it like I normally do it, so covering my whole face, including the part that I bronzed and highlighted. What if this turns out so well and I'm gonna do this the rest of my life? That would be funny, I mean. For the last part, I am gonna use my concealer from Essence, the Stay Natural. And I am just gonna go under my eyes and make a little triangle. And then I'm gonna blend it all out. I am done, and I personally think it's not that bad. I think from up close it's worse than that I can tell in the camera right now, and it does look, decent. I would leave the door with this. I wouldn't, lock myself up in the house and never leave ever again, but okay. So this is my look. It's really natural makeup look from up close. So I'm gonna end this video, but before I do, I want to quickly show you guys my setup. So this is my new vanity. We have 3 mirrors and a beautiful detailing. And the detailing comes back in every drawer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please leave it a thumbs up. And if you want to see me more often, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I hope I see you next time. Bye!